Sir, you please come back to court.
Pardon?
Okay, can you go back to the room, please? Okay, just put leave room and come back into the main session. I've been calling for you. You see at the bottom where it says leave main session? Leave room, just leave the room and come back to court. Yes, leave breakout room and come back to court. Thank you.
Are you doing the voice broadcast, Judge, or did you join him?
I joined him.
Oh, okay, because I didn't know if voice broadcast worked or not. I tried it, but I didn't get a response.
No, I just go into the room and I talk to him. Now calling the matter of People versus Sargon Warda. This is Z ticket 510101422. This is one count. Dismantle used auto without lease. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ralph Kazmarek, P29637, attorney for Mr. Warda. My video is still blocked, Your Honor, just to let you know.
All right, I don't know why it's blocked. All right, and Mr. Warda, can you tell us your name for the record, please? Mr. Warda.
I just saw him a moment ago, Your Honor.
No, he's on here. Now he's muted.
Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Sorry, I never use this app.
Say your name for the record, please, sir.
Sargon Warda.
All right, counsel, you may continue. How are we proceeding today?
Yeah, at this point, we're asking that the show cause be set aside. My client just received notice of this when he received a card in the mail about the show cause. Called me the same day, filed an appearance. We're asking that this matter be set for another court date and recall the warrant, Your Honor.
All right, this time the court's going to recall this warrant at this time and enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. What type of date do you need?
Yeah, and if we could look into May sometime, that would be good. Maybe late part of May.
I'm in June, so.
Oh, June sounds good. All the better, Your Honor.
All right, June 9th for a pretrial. At that time, though, I'll need you to make a decision on whether or not it's going to be a bench or a jury trial, okay?
Sounds good. So June 9th for a pretrial. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yep, I was about to say, there's nothing else. His bond will be set at $0 personal. We'll see you back, sir, June 9th at 8:30 a.m. for your next hearing date, okay? June 9th, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom for now. Be on the lookout. The courts may be open.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good week.
You too. Thank you.
Just leave now?
Yes. So do you see the button at the bottom that says leave meeting? Tap your screen. Do you see a button that says leave meeting, sir?
Yep, leave me.
Okay.
Yep, I got it.
So leave
Thank
meeting.
you.
Just come back on June 9th, okay?
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye. No problem.
Your Honor, are they thinking about reopening the court to traffic?
You know what? They haven't discussed that yet, so I don't know. It may be some type of hybrid though, where people want to kind of like what it is now, but I know our mask mandate was lifted today, so.
Big mistake.
We'll
I
see.
love-
I was gonna say, I know y'all do, but it's rough from our end. Just so you know, it's a lot of work.
It's rough
But
having
I-
people yelling at you too.
It is. This is good. I don't know, because I had on the other court as this, so I don't know how traffic worked beforehand.
It was crazy. That's all I'm gonna say.
Now they just get an attitude with me, and I gotta keep my patience because it's all being filmed live on YouTube.
I hear-
Wait till you see them all piled up in the courtroom on top of each other. The courtroom is stinking. You got to spray it with air freshener to breathe.
Listen, I used to fear for my life daily, so I don't know if traffic flow will be, to step down, Mr. Zaretta, because I'd have been standing beside somebody when prisoner done started fighting their defense attorney. And I just be standing
Right.
there like,
Yeah, that's
is anybody gonna help me?
Yeah, we don't want to go back to that because there's plenty of that, right?
They was like, move, Judge, move, Marlena. I was like, I can't, he's being choked. Ain't nobody gonna come help him. Where did that be?
Melinda. Didn't you get attacked one time by a defender?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No,
It wasn't you?
Pauline.
Okay.
Pauline did though.
Okay. That's what it was. Yeah.
Rough. All right, let's start doing these people in the breakout room. Elizabeth Woodward.
Ready.
Ms. Woodward, you can press *6 on your phone. Now, before I call all of her cases, Attorney Cameron, how many cases did you actually have?
Yancey. Oh, you changed. Did you change Yancey to a different date?
I didn't. I was just gonna say for Woodward, how many cases? Because I have one on the docket, but I have some cases that are in warrant status and
Yeah.
choke.
Okay, I have Reynard Ward, Shamika White. Shamika White, we're just gonna set for a trial date.
This is what. I said, Ms. Woodward. Do you have Ms. Woodward?
Yes.
Okay. I said, how many tickets do you have on the docket for her today? Because I have a lot. That's what I asked.
Oh, you
I know you
do?
may only have.
I only
You
had
just had-
one.
Okay, all right. Let me ask you this. Do you have an offer for the one? Or how are you handling it?
Yes, it's to a reduction to failing to display.
Okay, she has a ticket and 2 tickets in warrant status, 4 tickets in warrant status, and 1 show cause date. As well as she has some default tickets that I'm willing to take out of default. So I don't know how you want to do this.
Well, I would ask that the court set aside the defaults in those matters. And if we could send them all to the prosecutor, we could do a global resolution today. That would be great.
Okay. All right, let me see if I can get her back. Ms. Woodward, I'm gonna put you back in the breakout in the waiting room because I pulled all of your tickets that you have. You have more than just 1 ticket. So I'm gonna try and take care of all today.
Okay.
You want to just put her in a breakout room, Judge, so then we get an offer, I'll go right into there.
Yes, we can. Let me-
I can sign her to 2.
Okay. All right, what about Renard Ward? I think you said you had that case, right?
Reynard Ward, yes, we're ready on that.
Mr. Ward? Reynard Ward? about James Wesley?
Damon Wesley, James
James.
Wesley.
Yep, we got James.
It's unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Bob, did you do that one?
Yeah, which one was it?
James
James
Wesley,
Wesley.
unregistered untitled motor vehicle.
I don't think it's a James. I did a Kenneth West.
Bernard
Oh,
Ward.
James, I'm
Yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
I'm sorry, James Wesley.
Yes.
Can
Yeah,
you
I
hear
did
me?
it. I did it.
Okay, give me one second. Give Mr. Ward now. Now calling the matter of People versus Bernard Ward Jr. This is ticket 463-133. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket number 414203. One count drive test, transport, open intoxicants. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Renard Ward. Mr. Ward, state your name for the record, please.
Renard Ward.
Your Honor, as to the three matters pending before the court, they're in a warrant status. We'd ask the court to set aside the warrants at this time. As to the arraignment, we'll waive the form reading the complaint warrants in these matters and ask the court to enter a not guilty plea.
All right, at this time, the court is going to set aside the warrants that are currently out there, enter in a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Your Honor, he's going to plead to one count of open intoxicants as a passenger. Upon acceptance of that plea, the other two matters will be dismissed. I advise Mr. Ward that that is still a two-point offense.
All right, you want to take advantage of that today, sir?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
No.
You didn't talk to Attorney Cameron?
I just talked to you. in the
Oh, yes. I
breakout.
talked to her. Yes.
Okay, she's an attorney. She may not have told you that, but she's an attorney, okay?
Okay. I got it.
All right, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 21st of 2020. Sir, at that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Grand River and Burt Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were in that vehicle, was there open alcohol, sir, on the passenger side?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Defense is satisfied.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, we will stipulate probable cause on those two matters, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge, open intoxicants and a passenger. On the passenger side, the remaining two counts will be dismissed, sir. Sir, my fine is $240 for this ticket. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
Okay, that'll give you till June 12th. Is that enough time, sir?
Yes.
All right, June 12th is when this is due, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Okay, James Wesley. I'm gonna call him in next. James Wesley. I might have clicked on Shamika White by accident too. I'll just keep her here. James Wesley. Well, Miss White popped up, so Miss Shamika White, you can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Okay,
Now calling the matter of the People versus Shamika White. This is ticket SP 1054608. One count allowing another to use his license plate or her license plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Shamika White. Ms. White, state your name for the record, please.
Shamika White.
Your Honor, at this time, we'd like to have this matter scheduled for a bench trial. We realize it's in warrant status. We'll stay on mute, waive the formal reading the complaint warrant, and ask the court to set the warrant aside at this time.
All right. Ma'am, if that's the case, I will, the court will enter a plea of not guilty and set aside the bench warrant that is currently out there. Now, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Melinda Cameron about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, it's going to be July 17th at 9 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in today. I'm going to set your bond at $0. Don't miss another court date though, okay? So that way I don't have to put any bond money in there, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll see you July 17th for your bench trial at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. White. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
Thanks. All right, Mr. Wesley, you can unmute yourself. You know how to unmute yourself, sir?
Yep.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus James J.W. Wesley. This is ticket SP 1392093, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Wesley, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir.
James Wesley.
Judge, today's the day and time for a pretrial. Could we have another pretrial date for Mr. Wesley to get his registration and bring it in? He's just in the process of getting that now.
Why you don't have it today, Mr. Wesley?
His insurance lapsed, Judge, so he had to renew his insurance before they let him get his registration. So he got his insurance, he just needs to, he mailed in for his registration, he should be on the way.
All right. How about June 9th, sir, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank
All right,
you.
that's plenty of time to get that
I will have it
together.
this time, Your Honor. I will have it this time. Trust me. Trust
June
me.
9th.
You know
I
I'm
know
gonna
you are,
get it.
Mr. Wesley. I know. All right, so that gives you plenty of time. June 9th, I'll see you at 8:30 a.m. Bonds continued at $0, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir. All right. Who are these people signing on now? Why are they signing on? Asha Williams, is she on my back here? Asia, maybe Asia Williams?
Yeah,
Yes, I'm right here.
And why are you late?
8:45.
It's 9:44. Are you in a different time zone, mayhaps?
Yes.
Okay, you gotta come on at the right times, though. A Walker, who are you?
Antoine Walker, I'm sorry. I think I'm kind of late this morning.
You are.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize. I had to get my kids to school this morning. I'm sorry.
What's his first name again, Judge?
It's Antoine. He should be the first person under 835. What's your middle name, sir? Deshaun?
Deshaun, yeah.
Yeah, he's the first person under 835. All right, to both of you, I'm going to place you into what's called breakout rooms. The attorneys are handling the other matters of the people who came on first. I got a couple more matters to do. After we finish those cases, they'll come in there and talk to you. I'm telling you, because that's probably gonna be about another 25 minutes to a half an hour. You're just gonna be in there by yourself. No one else will be in there with you, but the attorneys will come in there and talk to you about your case and your rights. Be patient, okay?
That's fine.
That's fine.
All right, cool. We're gonna put you into those rooms. They'll come in there and talk to you pretty soon, but we gotta handle the rest of the people first, okay?
That's cool.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, no problem.
Asia Williams, room 4, Antoine Walker 6. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. All right, I'm gonna do Marcus Williams next.
Melinda.
Marcus Williams. Mr. Williams? All right. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
There you go.
Good morning.
Now, good morning. Now calling the matter of People versus Marcus Anthony Williams. This is ticket SP 1361008. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, improper left turn. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Williams, Your Honor. State your name, sir.
Yes.
Marcus Anthony Williams.
Thank you. Judge, he has valid documentation. I did talk to the city attorney. They're willing to dismiss these matters.
Hey. All right, sir. With that being said, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. You got a break today. Make sure that you use it wisely, okay, Mr. Williams?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, make sure you keep those documents up to date too. Make sure you have that insurance in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Williams, you're all set for today. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, thank you. I will, thank you. Attorney Zaranick, do you have Keith West or Alan Yancey or Jerry Young?
I have Kenneth West, Judge, Jerry Young.
Okay. I just want to make sure as I'm going through.
I got a question.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we'll do that. Kenneth West?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the People versus Kenneth Edward West Jr. We got a lot of noise. This is ticket SP. There's better. 1239349. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. West. Mr. West, can you state your name, sir? Unmute, please.
Kenneth West.
Judge, his matters are up for arraignment on the bench warrant. We're asking that the warrant be set aside and he be given a bench trial date.
All right,
on
at
all
this time,
matters.
okay. At this time, the court's going to set aside the bench warrants that are currently out there. Enter pleas of not guilty on your client's behalf. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. West, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Zaranick about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And you say yes?
Yes.
Okay, and it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm going to set it for July 17th. July 17th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. July 17th. If you need me to repeat it, I'll repeat it. 9 a.m. Yes, sir.
Okay. I was wondering about my license, or is it just for the one ticket, or the other tickets as well?
I understand.
So, okay, and that's what I was. Sir, you need to, your phone is kind of rocky. So I'm going to have you, can you like step out your car for a minute, maybe? All right, try again, sir. Try and say what you were saying.
No, I was saying, so I'm going to file for the record driver and all the other tickets are just me.
Mr. West? Mr. West, can you hold on for a moment? Judge, can I give you a call? It's about this case. Okay.
Mr. West, can you do something for me? Can you turn your video off? and then take your mask off, turn your video off, take your mask off, and then speak codes. Maybe it'll be clearer. Okay, try now.
Okay, so I'm going to trial for the one ticket, the reckless driving.
Reckless driving, you want to go to trial on the reckless driving?
And
No,
then,
it's gonna be on all three of them, sir.
I thought it was just
So Mr. West, we talked about this. Bring your documents back, your insurance and your registration back on your next court date. The
Okay.
officer will be here. If we can resolve the reckless driving with him, we will. Otherwise, you can have a trial, okay?
That's all.
The judge has already lifted your warrants, so you won't have any warrants.
Okay.
Okay, you get it? So we're gonna just do it on everything. If you have documentation, Mr. West, bring it back that day and we'll be able to see it. But we're just gonna set everything on the same day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. So I'll see you July 17th at 9 a.m. for your bench trial, okay?
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good day,
You're
Your
very
Honor.
welcome. Have a good day too, Mr. West. Thank you. All right. I have a question for Jerry Young before we bring him in. What's the question?
I don't know.
What are you doing with Mr. Young? Let me ask you that, Attorney Zarani.
I think it's a dismissal, judge, no officer.
It's a trial today?
It says hearing on the docket.
Oh, that's not a formal hearing. That's just a hearing. So he has some additional tickets. He has 2 for this afternoon and several others for another day in May. You want him to just come back?
I can do them now, judge, or we can give him a day for everybody to come back.
So he has. So he has these.
So he has another date on May 2nd, so we can either try and figure it out today or May 2nd. You want me to bring him in so you can talk to him?
Okay.
Mr. Young, you have some additional tickets, some of this afternoon and some for a later date. Attorney is gonna talk to you. You wanna go into a room with him?
All right, we can go back.
All right, Mr. Young, we're gonna put you into breakout room again. I'm gonna move you to 7, sir. You see that on your thing? Mr. Young, go to room 7. I hope you were paying attention to me talking to you.
I saw the 7 pop up. I hit where it say join breakout room.
Yep, hit that.
Oh, in room number 7. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, go talk to him, judge.
Thank you. Attorney Liddell?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes,
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. What case are you here on?
Your Honor, I'm with the AG's office. I'm here on Sherian Williams. It was on Judge Holmes' docket. She was supposed to be in mental health court, but I believe she just was not a good candidate nor a good fit. And so Judge Holmes terminated her from mental health court, and now she is on your docket. However, I've had plenty of cases with Ms. Williams, and if she's not in custody, more than likely she probably won't be here.
That sounds
So
about right. She didn't sign in.
yeah,
Mrs. Attorney Liddell. So
more than likely she won't be here.
okay. So if she's not in custody, she's not gonna come join us.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You know, and we would stay stage are we at with this, so I can tell you?
I'm not sure. She has so many cases, Your
Oh,
Honor.
we said you on my docket too.
Yeah.
So what I can do, when she misses a review, I can either try and get her in here another date, and then we'll let you know what date that is, or I can just put it in warrant status. But I don't typically put bond money with it. It'll just be a warrant status.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, she
All
has
right.
a plethora of other issues, so that's fine.
All right. That sounds fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
You too. If you need anything else, just call our courtroom, okay?
I will. Have a wonderful day to you and your
You
staff.
too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So Judge, on Mr. Young, if we can pull his tickets, I'll talk to Alexa about him.
Attorney Cameron, I'm gonna do Mr. Allen Lane Yancey. That was yours, right?
Yes.
Allen Yancey, please press *6 on your phone.
We haven't spoken to him because we don't have an offer yet.
Oh,
Wait a minute. Hello, can you hear me?
I can. Okay, I didn't realize you didn't have an offer yet. Okay.
Yeah, we need the city attorney back.
All right, Mr. Yancey, I'm gonna put you into what's called a waiting room, breakout room, so that you can talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights. We're trying to get an offer for you today, okay? So just be patient while we're trying to do
And
that, okay?
I just want to say that I'm getting myself together now, man. I take care of a family. This was like 2 years ago and stuff like that. Like, hopefully they really be hopefully God really moves. I'll put myself on mute.
Yeah, don't give me too much information. I know that people have previous lives and stuff like that, but these are crimes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Let's give you some advice. So that's why I put you in a breakout room with an attorney, because they'll talk to you about what your options are, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So what room should I put Nancy in? Okay.
Was he in the waiting room, Judge?
He was. Somebody put him in the waiting room, so he never went to his breakout room. So I'm gonna put him in room 3. And then, so we have animal control, Wilkins Gus. The defendant actually physically came in person. The animal control person is in room 1. iPhone just signed into the courtroom. What's your name?
Zachary Winston. How you
Say your name
doing?
again. Sir, I can
Zachary
see you. I can see you. Do you know that? So if I can see you, that means that I can see that you don't have a shirt on for court this morning.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So take the camera off and get dressed for court, please, and thank you.
Your Honor, we're ready on Antoine Walker. He has 2 unregistered untitled motor vehicle and 2 no proof of insurance and 1 no insurance misdemeanor. He has a valid insurance and registration for a 2005 GMC Yukon. So if that's what the tickets are for, that's the vehicle. I saw valid documentation today.
Hello, sorry about that.
What's your,
Go ahead, Sam.
okay, what's your name, sir?
Zachary Winston.
He's on the afternoon docket. Sir, you gotta sign in at 1:30 p.m., okay?
Okay, I was just making sure.
Okay. This is the same way that you sign in, but just do it at 1:30 PM with your top on like you have now, too.
I
Okay?
got you. All right, thank
All
you.
right.
I have a blessed.
Thank you too, Mr. Winston. All right. Let me bring in Mr. Walker. That is the card that asked that question. And then do you have Damon Waters? Is that you, Attorney Cameron?
I have, let's see, I have Elizabeth Woodard, Asia Williams,
Okay.
Antoine Walker, which is the person I just saw the documentation for. Is that a GMC 2005 GMC, Judge?
Yes, it is.
Tickets? Okay, I saw valid documentation for that
Okay.
vehicle. Registration and insurance.
Okay, cool.
Now
All
I need
right.
to get him to come out.
I know, that's what I was trying to do.
Let me go in there and get him. I'll bring him out.
Okay.
Okay, Your Honor. Hopefully he'll be out in a minute.
Okay.
So did I give you Ellen yet? Yeah. Ellen, yes.
Yes. Antoine, Mr. Walker, can you unmute yourself for me, please?
I didn't hear you.
You did what I asked you to do, though.
Stop walking, please.
Okay.
All right. And you're trying to sit because it's quiet.
All right.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Antoine Deshaun Walker. This is ticket SP 1399193, count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket SP 1416403, count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1399203, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, state your name for the record, please, sir.
Antoine Deshaun Walker.
Your Honor, for the 2005 Yukon, Chevy Yukon that involves these tickets, I have a valid insurance for that vehicle that expires 9/9 of 23, was obtained on March 9th. Also, I saw a valid registration for that vehicle for the same date. He went to the Secretary of State on March 9th. The expiration date for the registration is 2/4 of 24. So based on valid documentation, we ask the court to dismiss the tickets and will stipulate to probable cause.
Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Walker, make sure you keep everything valid and up to date in your vehicle at all times, okay? I know you don't want any more tickets, so do that, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Harrison, you keep going in and out. Goodbye. You keep going in and out of the call. I don't have E's on my docket. Do you have another last name?
Judge, he's been here several times. Early, his name is Damian Waters. But you're right, every time he leaves, the name changes. So
I apologize for that.
You gotta stop going in and out because then nobody can talk to you to try and address what's going on today. So you gotta stay still. Are you able to stay still with what you are right now?
Yes.
You are now in the main session. All right, so we're gonna put you into a breakout. You can talk to an attorney about your case.
Judge, Mr. Waters he's ready.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Let me do Mr. Waters. I have to write them up. Now calling the matters of the people versus Damian Waters. This is ticket SP 1173422. Count 1, defective or missing equipment. Count 2, expired plates. Ticket SP 1187412, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1203015, 1 count improper plates. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1209337, improper plates. Count 1, count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1209339, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1324409, disregard red flasher or arrow. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, no proof of insurance. And ticket number SP 1324414, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Waters. Please state your name, sir.
Damian Maurice Waters.
Judge, these are all up for today for arraignment on the bench warrant. We're asking that the warrants be set aside. We did work out a plea agreement. Mr. Waters would plead to 2 counts of failure to display, 3 counts of improper plates. The other 7 matters would be dismissed. We just asked for a no contest plea, Judge, and that'll move it along a little quicker, I think.
So I got 2 counts of fail to display, right?
Correct.
And 3 counts of improper plates.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Waters, whatever you're looking through in your car, you gotta stop, okay? Because I can hear you have like a really sensitive microphone on your thing. So you gotta stop. You gotta just be still for a moment. It's not gonna take you too long, okay?
Okay, sorry about that, G-Runner. I was trying to write it down.
I know, but you gotta just be still because you got a sensitive mic, okay?
Okay.
All right, raise your right hand if you want to take advantage of that offer today. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Waters, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Zaranick about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything besides what we said today, the pleas that you're gonna have in exchange for these pleas today?
No.
Are you
No,
gonna
Your
plead no contest? Okay. Are you gonna plead no contest today? Because in these matters, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand a no contest plea works just the same as a guilty plea I'll be entering, but you just won't make any factual basis on the record? You understand that, sir?
I do.
All right, counsel, what's the reasoning for the no contest plea today?
Lack of recollection, Judge.
All right, and sir, do you understand that by taking this no contest plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, I do.
Okay, sir, I want to take you back. I'm going to read from the tickets to establish a factual basis, if that's okay, Attorney Zaranick.
Perfect. Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. On the date of May 22nd of 2021, in the area of Pearson and Joy Roads in the city of Detroit, Mr. Waters was driving a Buick vehicle that had improper plates, as well as he was not driving with a valid license. On the date of June 10th, 2021, in the area of Monica and Grand River in the city of Detroit, Mr. Waters was driving a Buick vehicle that had improper plates. Also on the date of August 23rd, 2021, in the area of Evergreen and Capitol Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Waters was driving a Buick vehicle and he drove it while his license was not valid, as well as the vehicle had improper plates. Satisfied, Attorney Zaranick?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
No problem. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to 2 counts of failed to display a valid operator's license not on person on the drove while license not valid counts, On the remaining improper plate counts, those will be as said. Sir, it looks like you're employed. Typically my fine is $200. I'll do. I'm gonna do $200 on 4 of the tickets. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the last ticket, okay? I'm gonna give you a long time to pay them though. And the reason why I'm doing this is because some of these tickets that I'm dismissing today they went into default, but they were civil infractions, so he would have had to pay on those, but we'll take those out of default and dismiss those. So you gotta give us some money, Mr. Waters, though, because you kept driving, you kept getting caught and driving, kept getting caught and driving. So that is $800, okay? All right, I'm gonna do 3 tickets. So it's gonna be $600, okay? But I'm gonna give you a long time to pay. July 12th, is that gonna be enough time? That's like 90 days. You need more than that? You need more like 120 days, or you're gonna be able to do it in 90 days? Mr. Waters?
I am in a little bit more of a debt with my bank right now. So if I could ask for 120, I greatly appreciate it.
August 14th, 2023, okay?
Okay.
That's 120 days, August 14th. What you can do, Mr. Waters, too, is you can come down here and set up a payment plan. And so that way you can pay on it and not have to pay it all at once and just pay on it until it's finished being paid, okay?
Right, I'm doing that my next day off. I'm definitely coming to join the payment plan.
Okay, yep, come down here and do a payment plan so you can take care of this. You may have some other older tickets, I ain't put those, that you may want to put all together and try and do that, okay, Mr. Waters? And then that way, and then my date won't matter, because as long as you're making payments, that you can get more time.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so do that, Mr. Waters, okay? All right, good luck to you. I'll have you pay $200 on 3 of the tickets. The other 2 tickets, I'll waive the cost and fines, and then, okay?
Judge Taylor, I appreciate that.
No problem. All right, Mr. Waters, I understand. I know when people trying, you trying. So you kept signing back on. You were so diligent that I appreciate it, okay?
Okay, back to work for me.
Back to work, sir. All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Attorney Cameron, did you have anybody you were ready on as well?
No, I'm waiting for the prosecutor still.
Okay, let me see if we can get her back, okay?
Yeah, that would be great. Let me see, I got 2, 1, 2. Yeah, I'm waiting on 2, and I think Bob's waiting on 2 also. Do we have all the tickets on Elizabeth Woodward now?
I have them all. I would just have to tell her what they are.
Okay, all right, very good, thank you. Then Asia Williams just has the 1 ticket, I think, and I was going to ask for a failure to display on the improper license charge, which I'm sure that's what she's going to give, but.
You know, she has a ticket and warrant status too for consuming marijuana in a public place.
Oh, she does?
Yeah, it's a warrant status.
Then we might as well try to get that all together too.
Okay.
Have her take a look at both of those. That would be great.
And the in-person? Oh. Oh, we have an in-person too. The officer is here, I guess. Miss
I go Alexa.
Snyder. There's Attorney Snyder. I'll be right back.
Hi, Alexa, can we go into 30?
Yes. 30.
Mary?
Yes.
That lady girl, let me see, what's her name? Asia Williams, she has consuming marijuana in public, according to your corp counsel. She's indicated that's got to be a state ticket. So I guess we need.
Okay, we might have to set up a trial because I don't think APA Cole is here today.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, let's do that then, and I'll let Ms. Williams know. And then when the court gets ready to call it, we'll put it back, we'll put it on the record. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
He told me 2 people.
You are now in the main session.
Ms. Edwards,
Yes.
on Asia Williams, she has the ticket before the court. She also has a wanted warrant status for consuming marijuana in public. And then I guess she has some other civil infractions that the court was willing to set aside the defaults on. We were just going to schedule all those matters for trial.
Okay, because Alexa's in the courtroom. Did you need her or you just gonna set up the trial?
Alexis is going to review Elizabeth Woodward because she had a bunch of tickets.
Okay, she's in the courtroom now.
Okay, all right, very good. Thank you. Just want to give you an update. Thank you.
Thank you. Attorney Cameron.
Yes.
Okay, we have Gus Wilkins. He's here for a trial outside the courtroom. Did you or Attorney Dramatic want to handle him while the judge is doing another courtroom? We have elections in the courtroom too.
Okay. Okay. Do we have an offer today?
Well,
do we have a phone number for Mr. Wilkins?
oh, you know what? Sandy.
And that officer was here, correct?
Well, the investigator was here. I'm trying to ask Sandy, when did he go? Because I don't see him no more.
Oh.
Sandy. She must have stepped away. Yeah, he was in the.
Yeah, Mary, sorry about that.
That's okay. Sandy, what? Excuse me. What happened to the investigator that was in breakout room number 1?
Must have left it. He's not still there.
Wow. We didn't get no information. Do you know who it was? Did you write his name down?
Yeah, hold on a moment.
Hoskins, I have his email, but here's the number I can text him.
Okay, Alexa's gonna call him. Thank you.
Okay.
Was it Hoskins?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
That's Wilkins. You know what I think I'm going to do, Mary? For all the officers, just ask them to text their phone number, chat their phone number to me.
Okay.
When I check them in, I'll ask them to do that.
And Melinda?
Yes.
So on Elizabeth, she has, I don't know if do you know what counts she has?
No, I have no idea.
So she has 1 ticket with a driving while license not valid. Another one of those. One that has disregard red signal, no valid registration, and no proof of insurance. These 3 are all civil infractions. She has 1 with no registration in a school zone, no insurance, and driving while license suspended, repeat offender, all misdemeanors. She has defaulted tinted windows and another driving while license suspended, repeat offender. And the offer is to keep the default on the tint, plead to the disregard red signal, and plead a 1 FTD. I'll dismiss the balance.
Okay, keep default on tint, sorry. What's the next one?
Plead to the disregard red signal and 1 FTD. And that leaves 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dismissed.
So that means that she's gonna have 3 points.
Yes.
Okay, let me speak to her. Thank you.
And I texted Bob his picture.
Here you go. So this is the doctor for tomorrow. This is the season for purchasing. Perfect. Randy's got it. Did you see that right here?
Nice, thank you.
And then that's
Awesome, thank you.
I know, right?
And I'm
what all done. Hey, guys, this
We ready on these folks?
Judge,
Ready, Judge.
yes.
Okay, I'll start with people in the waiting room. Alan let me see, y'all talk to Alan Yancey, Jerry Young, and Jaquez Wilson.
Yeah, they're all 9, Judge. Yep.
Okay, Elizabeth Woodward, is yours to turn camera?
I have Asia Williams and Elizabeth Woodward.
Okay, Ms. Woodward popped in. So Ms. Woodward, can you press *6 on your phone, please?
Yeah, yes, I'm here.
Recalling the matter of the people or calling the matter of the people versus Elizabeth Woodward. This is ticket SP 1299343. Count 1, tinted windows. Ticket number SP 1299340. Drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1213054. Count 1, drove unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number SP 1364182. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1364199. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket SP 1069635. One count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Elizabeth Woodward. Ms. Woodward, state your name for the record, please.
Elizabeth Woodward.
Your Honor, the recommendation is as follows. On the defaulted ticket for tinted windows, that is to remain in default, and the defendant is to pay that ticket.
Okay.
As to the disregarding a red signal, that's a 3-point offense. She's going to enter a responsible plea. Will stipulate to the face of the ticket for the factual basis for that plea. As to the driving while license suspended or revoked, we asked the court to reduce the charge, or she recommended a charge reduction to failing to display a valid operator's license. Upon acceptance of all of those pleas, the balance of the tickets would be dismissed pursuant to prosecutor recommendation, and will stipulate to probable cause on all of those matters.
Okay. All right, so the disregard signal red or amber, that's staying as is?
Correct. The tint is staying as is, and she's pleading to failing to display on one count of driving while license suspended revoked, with a dismissal of the balance of the tickets.
Ms. Woodward, you want to take advantage of that today?
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm? Okay, thank you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for these pleas today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I didn't hear the last question.
I'm so sorry. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I want to take your attention back to the date of January 12th, 2022. Were you in the area of Grand River 4 or 4-Year Street in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy?
Yes.
And while you were driving this Chevy vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes.
Stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor. Stipulation of probable cause on the balance of the tickets being dismissed.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display. The remaining two have already been stipulated to the tinted windows as well as the disregard signal red or amber. All remaining tickets called on this record today will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for disregard signal red or amber is $130. And the tinted window is I think it's 120. Okay. So those tickets typically you have to pay within 14 days. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am?
Yes, I could pay them to Monday.
Okay, so that's 120. And then on the last ticket, I'm gonna charge you $200, but I'll give you some time to pay on that. You need 30 or 60 days.
Can you give me 60 days?
I sure can. I'll give you until June 12th, 2023, okay? As they told you, the remaining tickets are dismissed though, including those other 2 civil infractions, okay, on that ticket. So you don't have to worry about the no valid registration or the new proof of insurance. There may be reinstatement fees though, so look that up, okay?
Okay.
So you got 7 tickets dismissed today, okay, ma'am?
I thank you and I appreciate you very much.
Problem. All right, I just want to make sure you know. I'm all like, I'm trying not to overcharge you. I wanted to let you know you got quite a few dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, Ms. Ward.
Thank you.
Good. You bring in Alan Yancey?
I'll be like.
Alan Yancey?
I'm here. Alan Yancey is here.
Okay.
If you Google.
Hey, Melinda, did you talk to the person in the hallway?
No, I was waiting for a phone number to speak with that person.
Okay. I guess the
Do you have a
officer's
phone
back
number?
on that one.
Yeah, great.
So there was a plea of failing to vaccinate, dismissed the license. She hasn't done anything.
Alan Yancey?
Okay, have you talked to the person?
No.
You are unmuted.
This Alan Yancey, this is me. Hello?
I'm here. Hold on a second. You have a bad echo.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me see if I can fix it. Can you hear me a little better now?
All right,
Hello?
I can. All right. I am. Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Alan Yancey. This is U ticket 520-10419. This is for count receiving and admitting another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm Zoranik for Mr. Yancey. Mr. Yancey, state your name, sir.
Alan Kemp, Bill Yancey III.
Judge, this is up for today for arraignment on the bench warrant. We're asking that the warrant be set aside. There is an offer to plead to a reduced charge of disorderly. It's the typical situation, 3-month delayed sentence, HIV testing, 20 hours of community service in the Johns class. He wants to take that offer.
All right, you want to take advantage of this offer? Please raise your right hand, sir. She will.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your
Do
Honor.
you swear- Okay, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a
Yes.
chance to talk to Attorney Zoranik about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Pardon me?
Are you taking this guilty plea today because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you want to move forward still?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of July 29th of 2021, sir. Were you in the area of Schoolcraft and Sorrento Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you act in a disorderly manner in that area, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to one count disorderly conduct. Sir, this is only a 3-month it's delayed upon it. It's just going to get closed. Is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
The Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. This is an amendment from the OTE.
Yes.
So on those, we don't do the delayed sentences.
So
Just the amendment to disorderly conduct.
Just amendment to disorderly conduct. That's what I was trying to figure out. I'm all like, this is not a dismissal. It's just a, okay. But it's 3 months you're giving to be able to complete these tasks, sir. You have to take an HIV STI test. I don't have to know the results. I just have to know that you took it. You have to do 20 hours of community service. I'm going to give you a phone number to call so that you can make sure your community service is done properly, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and I'm going to give you a $300 fine, okay?
Yes.
Your review date is going to be July 12th, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. Do you have a piece of paper to write down the number for me, sir?
Yes.
313
Mm-hmm.
965
Yes.
8130.
8130.
Yes, you want to talk to Miss Green, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Judge,
You're all set? Yes.
yes, before we start, leave. I couldn't hear anything that Alexa was saying. If she wanted that on the record, could she repeat it, come closer to the camera or the microphone?
Just to repeat for the record, I was making a correction that the amendment was to disorderly conduct, but there was no delayed sentence.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. That concludes this hearing. You're all set, Mr. Yancey?
Yes, yes, Your Honor. And I have court on July.
Yes, that's just so I can make sure you do everything. Oh, does he have to take the misdemeanor morality class?
Yes,
All right,
Judge.
I forgot about one more thing, Mr. Yancey. You have to take a misdemeanor morality class. When you call Miss Green, tell her you have to take that class too, okay?
Okay.
They'll direct you to what you have to do, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Yeah, bye-bye.
Jerry Young, he's coming in. Jerry Young? Mr. Young?
I'm here.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jerry Lee Young Jr. This is ticket SP 1421241. Count 1, open alcohol on a motor vehicle driver. Count 2, violation of restricted license. Also calling ticket number SP 1421236. Count 1, violation of basic speed law. Count 2, failed to signal or turn on. Failed to signal on turn or leaving curb. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Young. Please state your name, sir.
My name is Jerry Lee Young Jr.
Judge, we would like to set all these matters for a bench trial.
All right, sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone, and it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set that date for July 17th, sir, July 17th. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom, July 17th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Jaquez Wilson.
Yeah.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Jaquez Wilson.
Yep.
This is ticket number SP 1338475. Count one, drove while licensed not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1338468. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count three, improper plate. Ticket number SP 1388060. Count one, improper plate. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1445524. Count one, improper plate. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1445242. Count one, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm Zaranick for Mr. Wilson. Please state your name, sir.
Jacques Wilson.
We got a problem, Judge. We only had one ticket up, and we had an offer on that to resolve it. I don't think Alexa or I knew all these other ones were up.
Okay. They're not. They just from later dates. He can come back 5:30. That's when he has a lot of his tickets if he wants to, or less in the courtroom. So.
Alexa, do you want to look at those and make one offer now, or put them over?
Sure. I can text you a picture too.
Okay. Thank you.
Hold time, Mr. Wilson. Asia Williams.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Asia Williams. This is ticket SP 1299436, count three. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number SP 1226434, count one, consuming marijuana in a public place or consuming where prohibited by owner. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the Cameron attorney on behalf of Asia Williams. Ms. Williams, state your name for the record, please.
Asia Williams.
Your Honor, at this time, we would ask that these two matters be scheduled for trial. Let's see.
All right.
Judge, and this is a show cause, so we'd ask that the court set aside the show cause at this time.
Well, we'll set aside the show cause at this time. That ticket has two tickets ending in 436, has two default tickets on it. Would you like me to add those to the trial for that day?
Yes, please. We'd ask that the defaults be set aside on those two matters. Yes, please.
All right. Ms. Williams, please raise your right hand.
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the, thank you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
No.
You talk to Attorney Cameron? She's an attorney. I know she may not have told you. You know that?
I spoke to you in the breakout room, ma'am.
Oh, yes.
It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set it for July 17th. July 17th at 9 a.m. via Zoom for right now. Okay. Bond will be set at $0 personal. You didn't pay any money, did you?
No.
All right. $0 personal. I'll see you then. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Y'all need to talk to that other person.
Yes, could I get a phone number for the person in the hallway?
Yeah, one of us can call.
He said he don't have no phone, that's
You don't
why
have
he's
a
here today.
phone, Attorney Cameron. What phone number are you referring to?
Oh, I meant for the defendant.
He said he doesn't have a phone, that's why he's here today.
Oh, well, that's a problem. I guess we should just have him come in the courtroom. I can relay the offer to him and see if he or she wants to take the offer. Let's see.
All right, I'll step in the hallway, I gotta do another matter anyways.
Oh, it's Gus Wilkins. Okay, it's a male. Thank you.
I just texted Bob the offer.
So do you?
No. What's his name? I can go tell him that Gus Wilkins.
Yeah.
Right? And then I'll go upstairs and get on Zoom. In case you guys, I don't hear from me.
Okay. So what are we gonna do to stop them?
I can talk about Zoom. He's here now.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Here's Gus's file, and here's the offers for tomorrow. I'll take care of
Okay.
this stuff.
Thank you.
Is Mr. Wilkins in the courtroom?
I'm getting him.
Okay, I'm going to put the investigator in a breakout room. Officer Hoskins, I'm going to have you put you in room 1. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Melinda. They're doing no movement in the hallway right now, so he has to wait. What of those, I don't know, they've been doing them lately where they're like, nobody can move. So whenever that's over.
There we go. Okay. Mr. Wilkins.
Okay, go ahead.
Something's going on in the hallway, so they're not letting anybody move. But once they let him move, I'll bring him in.
Oh, really? Oh my
Yeah,
God.
I came back in here because I didn't know what was going on. So
We have a good argument for why we should not go off of Zoom. Think something that wouldn't happen in the hallway if nobody was down there.
true. Yeah. Can't have hallway problems. if you're
Y'all
not in the
just don't
hallway.
want to come back to the court like we got to come back.
Y'all can't come back
Like
either.
we here every day. We here every day. Y'all want to come back like we have to come back every day.
Well, you know what? I would be really happy if you could all work from home too. I think that would be
We're not that fortunate.
So don't be hating. Nobody. Yeah.
Now you know I'm hating, Sam. You know I'm hating.
I know. I would be hating too if I had to be down there. That's wrong. They should have a place that everybody could work remote. For real.
Right.
Well, that's only because the court's too cheap to equip you guys with the proper equipment so you can work from home.
It could be done, for real. It
It can be done.
He's coming in now. Mr. Wilkins, come in. So you're gonna talk to the attorney on the TV. If you come stand up here, you'll be able to, you can see her face when she comes up, and then just talk loud and she can hear you.
Okay, Mr. Wilkins.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Wilkins, you have 2 tickets before the court today, failing to vaccinate your dog and also failing to get the dog licensed. What's the situation? Because the officer is here today and he said that your dog is not licensed or vaccinated. So what's the scoop?
He's been vaccinated by the license. He said about that though. I was getting the
I
shot.
can't hear you. What did you
I said,
say?
They've been getting vaccinated. I got the papers here. But license.
I cannot hear you, sir. What are you saying?
Speak a little louder, so you have to
Oh.
speak too loud.
I said about the license, one been stolen anyway. So I have a warrant. So
What's been stolen?
One of my dogs.
Okay, the one that the ticket was written for.
Right.
Did you get the dog vaccinated? And do you
They have
have
been,
a license?
they've been vaccinated, but they ain't licensed.
Okay, well, they want you to plead to failing to vaccinate your dog at the time that the ticket was written, and they're gonna dismiss the other one. Do you want that offer?
Well, yeah, how much you run? How much you run? I can go with it. Yeah, cause I ain't go. I can deal with that.
All right, all right, so I don't know where the court wants you to sit, but so you did fail to vaccinate your dog, is that correct, sir?
Yep. Yes.
Okay, all right, so the court is gonna ask you, do you understand you have a right to a trial by judge or jury? The right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, the right to question witnesses, the right to have the court compel witnesses by subpoena to come to court for you if they don't come in voluntarily. You have the right to testify at trial if you want to, or remain silent and not have your silence used against you. You give up those rights when you plead guilty. And do you understand your constitutional rights?
Yes.
Okay. All right, very good. Just take a seat, and as soon as the judge comes out, we'll put it on the record. Okay, sir?
All right.
All right, thank you, sir.
You have,
I don't know. You can just have a seat right here.
yes, ma'am.
Is it Gus Wilkins? All right. Mr. Wilkins, I need you to come up closer to this mic area for me. Right here, turn. You see that green mic on the wall? I need you to speak loudly for that, okay?
Oh, okay.
Now calling the matter of first people versus Gus Wilkins. This is B ticket 123725, one count harboring an unlicensed dog. Also calling ticket number B 123376, one count failed to vaccinate a dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Wilkins. Mr. Wilkins, state your name for the record, please.
Gus Wilkins.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Wilkins is going to plead to failure to vaccinate his dog. Upon acceptance of that plea, the failure to license ticket will be dismissed.
And, Investigator Hopkins, can you state your name for the record, please?
Investigator Hoskins, badge number 44.
Thank you so much. So you want to take advantage of that offer today, Mr. Wilkins?
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear? You gotta stay safe. You got. I know you want to face me, but you gotta stay facing that because my court is online. Yep, I know. Just raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
No.
Talk to Attorney Cameron. She's an attorney. She didn't tell you that, but she is, sir. Did you talk to her?
Oh, yes.
All right. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice, sir?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date on or about January 20th, 2022 to February 16th, 2022. Were you in the area of 7543 Chrysler in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes, I was.
Did you have a dog there that was unlicensed at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Judge. Actually,
Or
it's
that's-
failure to vaccinate.
Oh, it's failure to vaccinate. I'm sorry.
Yep.
I want to take you to that same period of time. Did you fail to vaccinate dogs or present proof that you have vaccinated those dogs during that time, sir?
Yes, I have failed.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Judge, I'm satisfied. Thank you.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the charge of fail to vaccinate a dog for rabies. The remaining ticket will be dismissed. Sir, you gotta make sure you vaccinate the dogs, okay?
Yeah, I would have been.
I know. I get it. My fine is $300, sir. How long will that take you to pay? 60, 90 days?
60 days.
60 days? Is that gonna be enough time?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than June 12th, 2023. You don't have to pay it all at once, sir. You can pay it in little increments too, if that helps out a little bit, okay?
All right.
That gives you 60 days, though, okay?
All right.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. You're all set. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Well, I pay it downstairs when I get it. No.
Huh?
I pay it downstairs.
Yep, you can pay it downstairs at the front.
Okay.
Okay.
Your Honor, is this matter closed? Am I free to leave?
Yes, you are free to leave. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
We're ready on Wilson when you're ready.
Okay. Are they back in the courtroom?
They did. I'm not sure if they went to a waiting room or.
All right, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now recalling the matter of People versus Jock Wilson. This is ticket P 1388060. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1338468. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, improper plates. The ticket number SP 1338475. Count 1, drove while licensed not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Bob Zarnik for Mr. Wilson. Please state your name, sir.
Jacques Wilson.
Judge, there's an offer in this matter to plead to a no registration ticket, improper plate ticket, and an FTD. Everything else will be dismissed. So he would plead on the ticket ending in 5241, counts 1 and 3. And also on the ticket ending in 2421, that'll be a failure to display. Everything else is dismissed.
I ain't caught right there, tickets, I got caught back behind me. So he is going to. Three. All right. Sir, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
I pleaded guilty of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
I pleaded guilty because you are guilty.
I didn't hear that.
Are you taking this guilty plea because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you hear me? Did you still want to take the plea today? That's what I said.
Yes, I would like to take that plea, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So I want to bring your attention back to the date of March 24th of 2023. Were you at that time driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Livernois and West Grand Boulevard, I think it was like?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at that time?
Yes, they were, Your Honor. It was. Yes, they were. I had my another plate on the car, which was from my last car. I was, trying to get back and forth to work. I didn't have no other way, and I drove that way.
Mr. Wilson, so you already admitted to you having improper plates on it, and it wasn't registered with the Secretary of State's office at that time, sir? Meaning that the tax hadn't been renewed for the year, right?
Yeah, it wasn't registered yet. The vehicle wasn't registered. I had bought the vehicle, and I used the plate from my last vehicle until I can make enough to get what I needed to where I can drive, the Dodge.
Okay. All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display for drove while license suspended, and then 1 count of improper plates and 1 count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. All right, the remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, My
Judge,
fine
here's
is,
kind of,
yes,
can
you
I
go ahead.
butt
Yes,
in for a minute?
yes.
He's not working right now, Judge. He's not on disability. He's not on Social Security. He's in his 50s. He's a single parent taking care of his one daughter. He doesn't have any source of income right now. Kind of, hard times for him right now. So he was hoping for any kind of break the court could, he lost his job, so he's hoping for any kind of break the court can give him.
We do community service. Want to do some community service, sir?
Sure, Your Honor. Yes.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna give you 50 hours total. But I'm gonna give you a long time to complete it, okay?
All right.
I'm gonna give you 120 days, so that's until August. So that means that you can do some here and there on the weekends and stuff. Hopefully you can find employment. And then, but you do have to do the 50 hours of community service, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
So I'm gonna give you until August 14th, 23. That's going to be a review date. And I need you to take down this number so that you can call it. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
313-965-8130. Okay.
I have it.
All right, so that's like 4 months. Hopefully you're able to do it in that time period. And then the only costs and fines you may have are called reinstatement fees. I can't waive those, okay? But you can take your time paying those back, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Y'all have a great day.
You too, thank you.